So this is the AirTag. I bought them a couple weeks ago. I bought 3 AirTags, and they're each $30 a pop. I bought one for my mom for Mother's Day, so I gave one to her as a gift. She really liked it. I really liked that she really liked it. Gave one to my dad, not sure where he's gonna put it. And I bought one for myself. They came like last Monday, but I did not want to like open them or else my mother would know. So I'm opening them today. Wonder how the unboxing experience would look like. Well, I already know since I already unboxed my mom's, but like, you know, I'll do the unboxing for you guys. So we'll first open this bad boy here.
2 hours later.
Okay, so I finally got it. Totally messed it up, but I actually opened it somehow. I'm not sure. This is not the way to open it, but like, to open it up, let's open this bad boy up. Okay, there we go. Finally got it open. This is the AirTag box. We'll add it to my collection up here. Okay, what are these? These are 1 year limited warranty. We don't need that. What's this? Regulatory compliance information. We don't need that. We don't need all these pamphlets. Let's look at the AirTag itself. So we got AirTag here. And we're gonna open this. Opens up as like a pamphlet, which is pretty cool. And there we go, we got the actual AirTag. Look at that. There you go. Don't need that. There it is. AirTag. Let's peel this off. Let's do it near the microphone. Oops. Oh, and there you go. You heard that noise, right? That basically means AirTag is ready for pairing. So you can see the Apple logo on the back, the chrome, like stainless steel kind of thing. On the front, it is kind of like a glossy finish, white glossy finish. You know, overall, it feels really nice, really premium, like an Apple product. Makes a good noise. Overall, I like it, and I'm not sure what I'll use it for. Maybe I'll use it for my wallet. So yeah, that's pretty cool AirTag. That's pretty much it for the unboxing video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and check the links out in the description below. If you have any other questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down in the comment section below. I will see you all in the next video. Peace out till then.